Hi, my name is Seth Kamuller. I'm with a company called Peridog. Peridog is an online pet product supply business, and part of our mission is to give back to rescues and animal welfare groups. My question is, what type of qualities would you look for in a manufacturer when trying to develop a new product?
Hello and welcome to Inside the Industry. My name is Andrea, and I'm joined today by Michael, the president from Paws. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Andrea.
Michael, tell us a little bit more about Paws.
Sure, at Paws we make innovative pet products. Many of your audience has probably seen our waterproof, disposable and reusable dog boots. They're a colorful rubber galosha for dogs, and we are also just introducing our Safe Spot locking pet leash.
Tell us about your role with Paws.
Sure, well, it's been about 7 years since I started the business with my father, Gary, and during that time I've been mostly involved with product development and manufacturing.
What are qualities a business should be looking for when selecting who their manufacturer is going to be?
Well, I think that's a great question. It's really the key to a manufacturer's success with a new product, and it is one of the hardest things to resolve. Finding a manufacturer, whether it's here in the United States or overseas, really involves good communication, trust, and of course, you looking at for the right price and the right delivery, and all these elements have to come together.
I'm a new business owner, say, and I have a new product that I would like to find a manufacturer for. How do I even go about starting that process? Where do I find my manufacturer?
Well, finding a manufacturer is not the easiest process, and really, a good place to start may be just attending trade shows where those manufacturers may show up to introduce themselves to you. And of course, nowadays with the internet, the very easiest place is just to do a search for the kind of manufacturer you're looking for. Just to begin, there's Global Source, and then there's Alibaba, two different sourcing websites where you may find manufacturers here in the US and all over the world.
Let's talk about what are some of the pros and cons with deciding whether to manufacture in the United States or to go overseas.
Paws started manufacturing in the US. We went overseas to Asia, and we've since come back to the US. And of course, manufacturing in the US gives you opportunities for quality control, delivery timing. These are all important issues. In any partner you have, whether it's in the US or overseas, the key is relationship, communication, trust, and that's not always so easy to find here in the US either.
From your experience, how do you maintain quality control and looking over how things are being manufactured when they are being made overseas?
That is one of the most complex elements in manufacturing overseas, and many small companies will bring in an outside contractor to oversee that for them so they don't have to be in China or whatever country they're manufacturing in nowadays. And of course, that's one of the benefits of being reshoring or starting manufacturing right here in the United States, so you can easily be there when issues arise. When manufacturing overseas, you still need to be there, or you need to have somebody there, or you need to have that perfect factory where they do everything right every time.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Andrea.
Thank you for watching Inside the Industry. I'll see you again next time.